In the south of Europe, on the east coast of Spain, by the shores of the Mediterranean Sea, is a unique and special place. Welcome to the region of Valencia. The region of Valencia has a rich culinary culture. Renowned for its international recipes, such as rice dishes, especially paella, but also for its diverse, high-quality farm produce. The region is notable for a major culinary movement, which in recent years has seen a rise in the number of chefs offering creativity and excellence, increasing their Michelin stars and Repsol Suns by the year. A place where the very latest cuisine lives alongside traditional cooking, giving new life to the best basic ingredients, turning them into true works of culinary art. As well as haute cuisine, the region of Valencia has many traditional markets full of aromas and colour, where visitors can enjoy local produce, such as fresh fish and seafood, produce from the Valencian vegetable gardens, meats of the highest quality, and traditional ready-made dishes, all in the setting of the monumental beauty of the markets. Here, the Mediterranean diet, recognized by UNESCO, shines in all its glory, accompanied by fine wines that attract visitors from all over the world, with 3 different denominations of origin. With its colorful flavors, the produce and talent of the region of Valencia make it the perfect destination for culinary tourism. Come and visit us.